Welcome. In front of me is a Mate 50 Pro from Huawei, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, and when we see our boot options, there we go, you want to select power off. Now the device will turn off, so once it's off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. You'll see a Huawei logo after a moment. There we go. You want to keep holding for a little bit longer. You will feel a vibration. Once you do, let go of the keys. This will take us to the recovery mode. So from here, select safe mode and wait for the device to boot back up. Now once the device boots up like it just did, you'll see we have a little marking at the bottom saying safe mode. This will stay here as long as we are in this mode, and also in this mode only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself, like this empty space that used to be applications that I have right here, will be disabled as long as you are in this mode. It will be re-enabled once we boot out of it and go back to the normal one, but here we won't be able to use them just because it's kind of the purpose of safe mode, to help you troubleshoot your device if some kind of app is causing you problems. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal mode, hold the power key once more. And from there, select restart. This will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.